over 40 years, BESGO has been manufacturing in Switzerland the world's most efficient and reliable pneumatic valves for the water treatment industry, aquaria, and aquaculture systems, as well as for swimming pools worldwide. Entirely designed in-house, BESGO valves are built using the highest quality components available. All BESGO parts are produced locally in the region of Basel, Switzerland, and assembled with great care to guarantee flawless operation. Safe and sustainable by design, BESGO valves also offer lower pressure drop and higher installation flexibility than any other automatic valve on the market. Available in a wide range of diameters, BESGO valves are easy to control and will allow you to safely automate filtration, backwashes, water attractions, and more. Extensively tested before being shipped across the globe, BESGO valves bring you the perfect conditions for crystal clear water of the highest quality. BESGO, the industry's automatic valve of choice.